Hey folks, welcome to the channel.
Hello.
So I am making
a gnome.
My molds and shapes tray gnome. Try saying that 3 times fast. Now, I thought in this one I would use some mica powders and paint it straight onto the mould. What?
Onto your precious mould?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, I know. Check me out. Well,
I've got no words.
Hear me out. Here's my thought process. I felt that as I'm going to use this mould quite a lot, it's probably going to need replacing anyway. So there we go. See what I did there? Now I'm using the Let's Resin chrome powders. In his nose, he has got red.
Yeah.
For his beard, I'm using the silver.
No, that's holographic.
That's the holographic. I'm lying. It's the holographic one.
Yeah, that's a nice holographic.
I thought his beard would look nice in holographic.
I think I've seen the final results. So
you have,
but yeah, it does look really good.
Yeah, but
it's very effective.
Well, what I wanted. So I'm not making a Christmas make for this one.
No,
I know. I figure that there's a lot of channels all doing Christmas makes at the moment, and every now and then, I know, but you know, it's alternative Christmas.
Okay.
I did a Christmas coaster.
Yeah.
Now I'm doing other Christmassy things. This is not Christmassy. Well, it is Christmassy, but not.
Well, thank you for clearing that up.
You're welcome. Now, anything I can do to help. So I did his beard. Now I've taken him away because I want to tap him upside down.
Onto what? Onto what?
Onto your desk. You're welcome. Yeah.
Is that why I was walking around the other day? You went, "You've got glitter on you," and I'm like, I have no idea how I've got glitter on me because I haven't actually made anything today that has got glitter in it.
Yeah.
Wow.
You're welcome. It was funny. It amused me. Anyway, I'm just cleaning up the sort of the hands and the feet, because the hands and the feet are going to be gold.
Okay. Now, normally when you wipe a mould, straight after putting, you put mica on it, sometimes it doesn't actually stick, or it tends to move around a little bit.
But I let it dry.
Okay.
I went like that on the mould.
Okay.
I didn't really. But you looked really convinced then. You had a very convinced look. So no, I wasn't wiping. Well, it was dry. It was fine.
Okay.
And it stuck just fine. Now, then I made some clear resin, and I put a tiny, tiny bit of violet
So
diamond.
it's gold diamond, violet diamond, and I couldn't see what the other one was because you didn't show it.
Silver diamond.
Okay. Yeah,
so it's basically the same colours that are on the actual mould itself. So I just did a very thin layer, and I mean a very thin layer of resin on the gnome, on the man.
There's a man there as well.
No, I did a very thin layer, so it just give him a smidgen of a covering. And then I let it set for a little while. So this is about an hour later. Oh, did I miss putting the glitter in?
Yes.
Oh, so
did you put glitter in?
I did. So I took some glitter stars and I put them in. I'm so sorry.
That's unlike you to miss recording something.
They are. It was the snowflakes from Resin. I'll leave a link to them in the description. And then it was literally time for the top coat. That was unexpected. This is electric purple from Just Resin.
It's
and
beautiful.
Oh, this one took my breath away. I was like, that is absolutely beautiful. I'm gonna have to fix that light because it shines in just the wrong place.
Yeah.
I need you to fix that.
Okay.
Anyway, This was a day later, and it was time for the demould.
Ooh.
And I was quite excited about this because I was like, oh, what's it going to be like?
It's
the mould
spotless.
Is beautiful.
Yep.
I love moulds and shapes. Now, I don't have a discount code for them, but if you nip across to Claire's Crafty Corner or Petra, they do. So if you want a moulds and shapes, nip across there.
Yeah.
So this is the gnome. And you can just see that glitter in his hat.
Yeah.
So it's little snowflakes that have got like a purple sheen. Really, really pretty. I'll put a picture of it on our community tab, but really pretty. So there's a couple of areas that I was not 100% happy with, but that's fine because, you know, I'm going to make this a few times because I love this mould. Now, here was my idea. I got a picture of a scroll and I cut it out with on my silhouette. Is this the one where it went wrong, or is this the good one? Oh dear.
I left that one in because, you know,
I made a right boo-boo. So I've got 2 lots of transfer tape. I've got the purple, which is your standard transfer tape, and I've also got the yellow, which is for when I make moulds or glitter paper.
Yeah.
And for reasons unknown, I picked up the yellow transfer tape to use on a standard yellow vinyl. So after I got Kirk to sit with his super sharp knife and cut the shape perfectly for the mould, I couldn't get the transfer tape off the vinyl because it was too sticky. Why are you? He's shaking his head at me in a very sort of, how much of me struggling did you?
Oh, loads.
So this is not a how-to. This is a how not to, this particular part. So I've taken the back off. I then try and stick it down and I give it a good old buff and a rub and all the things that you do.
Yeah.
And nothing. I even got the heat gun out to try and melt the adhesive on the back of the yellow transfer tape. It did not work. And in the end, I was just like, no, it's just
you
not
actually
happening.
rage quit, look.
I did. I was like, what an idiot. How could I mean, I don't know what I was thinking.
No,
I know.
Nor me.
I even have the transfer tapes in 2 separate areas. I don't know why I grabbed the yellow. And I was like, right, let's start that again then. Here we go again. So I did it properly this time. And then I cut out a glittery Kirnix Creations because who doesn't want a bit of sparkle on their life? Oh, look at that aeroplane going over.
That's a helicopter.
Well, it's really noisy.
It is really noisy.
I'm so sorry, people.
That's all right. I'll
just demonstrating that we have, you know, we're doing this in our spare bedroom, basically.
That's all right. I can dull that out.
So yeah, that was. Oh, don't you just love his sarcasm? So that was me finally getting it on. I can't even tell you the relief I felt when it was finally there. Now, as it says on the screen, thank you to all of our Glitterati members.
Yeah.
You are appreciated more than you could possibly know.
Yep.
Keeping us in tea bags. That's what we like.
Yep. And while I'm drinking my tea, I will be thinking of each and every one of you.
Indeed. Now, I know a lot of people tend to do the sort of outlines using acrylic paint, but I thought because I'm me, I'd give it a go with the marker pen, and I have to say I felt I did it a lot better with the marker pen, and I'll probably be doing it that way from now on because so much easier. But then it needs a top coat, so everybody knows what I'm like with top coats. So I put a bunch of latex on because I'm not risking ruining this now. I quite like it. I was quite pleased with it.
I think it looks awesome.
Yeah. So I start off very nice and neatly with a paintbrush, and then I basically devolve to my finger, let it dry, and then it was just a case of adding the top coat.
Now, your top coat,
Mm-hmm.
when you did this and left it,
Now,
there was some leakage.
There was, but can I just say, in my defence, I was assured that my desk was completely level. However, it turns out it may not have been.
Now, if you look at the very top, where I've covered it now, but it went all over the desk.
It did.
And you were injured while trying to remove it.
I was severely injured whilst trying to remove it. But, you know, I suffer for my art.
I suffer for your art.
You're welcome. But no.
I am an artiste and I suffer for my art.
Artiste. So I removed the latex. I have to say, this is one of my absolute favourite little tasks.
What, removing the latex?
Yeah, there's something about it that I just love. Honestly, it's so much fun. It's like when you were at school and you used to get your little PVA glue on stuff and then you'd peel it off. Did you never do that?
No.
Oh, it was just me then.
Yeah, it's just
anyway, once I peeled it all off, I just went round with my Resiner's multi-tool thingy just to make sure it was all nice and smooth and all, you know, hunky-dory, as it were.
Yep.
And then I took a chrome marker and I just went round the outside. Now, I know I used gold on the thing and you're not supposed to mix gold and silver, but...
Why?
I don't know. You're not supposed to mix gold and silver, but I really like the chrome marker, so that's what I used. And that was him all done. And off to the glamour shots. And on the top right glamour shot, you can see what we did with him. He's now top left. He's now our little cave sign. He's a cave mascot. No. I think he's really cute.
No, I think it's really cool.
I really like him. I was very pleased with him. I got a thing about gnomes. I've gone gnome mad.
I know.
Anyway, if you are still with us at this point, thank you so much. And if you think you like our creative sort of chaos, please do feel free to hit that like button.
And while you're down there, why not give the subscribe a little tickle as well?
And don't forget, we've got discount codes and all the links to everything that we've used in this video in our description. And hopefully we'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.
Bye for now.